Worried that mercury in fish could harm your health? Even if you're trying to eat right, you're not alone. The good news is there are several fish that are both low in mercury and ideal for diabetics. In this video, we'll reveal 6 of the safest and healthiest options. Top 6 safe fish low in mercury for diabetics. Number 1, salmon. All right, kicking things off, we have number 1, salmon. Salmon consistently ranks as a top choice for folks managing diabetes, and for some really excellent reasons. This popular fish isn't just delicious, it also boasts a remarkably low mercury content. That makes it a safe and frequent addition to your meal plan. Plus, its impressive nutritional profile offers significant benefits if you're looking to maintain healthy blood sugar levels and protect your heart. So, what's one of the standout features of salmon? Well, it's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. These essential fats are absolute powerhouses when it comes to cardiovascular health, and for individuals with diabetes who often face an increased risk of heart disease, getting enough omega-3s is particularly vital. These fatty acids help reduce inflammation throughout the body, they can lower triglyceride levels, and even contribute to slightly lower blood pressure, all incredibly important for a healthy heart. And it's not just about heart health. The omega-3s in salmon also play a role in improving insulin sensitivity. Better insulin sensitivity means your body can use insulin more effectively, which, as you know, is key to managing blood glucose levels. Now, while salmon won't magically cure diabetes, regularly including it in a balanced diet can really contribute to more stable blood sugar readings and overall metabolic health. Plus, the high-quality protein in salmon helps you feel fuller for longer. This can prevent overeating, which is so beneficial for weight management, another crucial aspect of diabetes control. What's more, salmon is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. This makes it an easy and enjoyable fish to work into your diet. Whether you like it baked, grilled, poached, or pan-seared, salmon adapts beautifully to various cooking methods and flavor profiles. It can be the star of your main course. You can flake it into salads, or even use it in diabetic-friendly fish cakes. This adaptability is great because it means you can enjoy its health benefits without getting bored, making it a sustainable choice for long-term diabetes management. Think about it. From simple lemon herb baked salmon to more elaborate glazed preparations, the options are truly plentiful. Number 2, sardines. Next up, let's talk about sardines. Sardines might be small, but they are truly mighty fish that pack a significant nutritional punch, especially if you're managing diabetes. Because of their small size, they're very low on the aquatic food chain. This results in impressively low mercury levels, making them a safe and smart choice for regular eating. So don't let their size fool you. These tiny fish offer substantial benefits for both heart health and diabetes care. Now, a key advantage of sardines is their convenience, especially when we're talking about the canned varieties. Canned sardines, often packed in olive oil or water, are easy to find, affordable, and require no cooking. This makes them a perfect option for quick and healthy meals or snacks. This ease of use can really be a game changer for busy folks or those who might not always have the time or energy for a lot of meal prep. You can easily add them to salads, mash them onto whole grain crackers, or mix them into pasta dishes for an instant boost of protein and nutrients. And nutritionally, sardines are powerhouses, just brimming with beneficial omega-3 fatty acids, much like salmon. These fats are so crucial for heart health, helping to reduce inflammation and protect against cardiovascular complications, a common worry for people with diabetes. On top of that, sardines are an excellent source of high-quality protein. This is essential for blood sugar regulation because it slows down glucose absorption and helps you feel full. They also give you a good dose of calcium, especially when eaten with the bones, and vitamin D, both really important for bone health and general well-being. Another big plus for sardines is their cost effectiveness. When you compare them to larger, more expensive fish, sardines offer a really economical way to get those beneficial omega-3s and lean protein. This makes them an accessible option for anyone on a budget who still wants to maintain a diabetic-friendly diet, packed with essential nutrients. And because canned sardines have a long shelf life, you can stock up without worrying about them spoiling, ensuring you always have a healthy option ready to go. Number 3, tilapia. Moving on to tilapia. Tilapia is a fish you can find almost anywhere. It's quite popular and well recognized for its low mercury profile. This makes it a safe choice for people with diabetes who need to be careful about heavy metal intake. This mild-flavored white fish is also a fantastic source of lean protein, which is absolutely crucial for managing blood sugar levels effectively. You see, the high protein content in tilapia plays a really significant role in diabetes management. Protein helps to slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. What this means is a more gradual rise in your blood glucose levels after meals, which can prevent those sharp spikes in blood sugar that can be so detrimental to diabetic control. Beyond that, protein helps you feel full, which can aid in weight management, another important piece of the puzzle for overall diabetes care and health. But tilapia isn't just about protein. It also offers several essential vitamins and minerals. For instance, it's a good source of vitamin B12, which is vital for nerve function and the formation of red blood cells. You'll also find selenium in tilapia, a mineral that acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect your cells from damage. Now, it's true that tilapia has a different fatty acid profile compared to oily fish like salmon. It has a higher omega-6 to omega-3 ratio. However, its overall low-fat content still makes it a healthy, lean protein choice, especially when it's part of a balanced diet. When you're preparing tilapia for a diabetic-friendly meal, it's always best to go for healthier cooking methods. Think baking, broiling, grilling, or steaming. These are all excellent ways to cook tilapia without adding a lot of unhealthy fats. You can season it with herbs, spices, a splash of lemon juice, or a light marinade to really bring out its mild flavor. It's a good idea to avoid breading and deep frying, as those methods can pile on unnecessary carbohydrates and unhealthy fats, which would counteract its benefits for diabetes management. Try pairing your tilapia with plenty of non-starchy vegetables and a portion of whole grains to create a really well-rounded, blood sugar-friendly meal. Number 4, herring. Our fourth fish is herring. Herring is another excellent low-mercury option that offers some pretty substantial health advantages for anyone managing diabetes. This oily fish, which is similar to its relatives salmon and sardines, is particularly valued for its ability to help reduce inflammation. And as we know, inflammation can be a common concern in chronic conditions like diabetes. So where do these anti-inflammatory properties in herring come from? Well, they're largely thanks to its high concentration of those fantastic omega-3 fatty acids, EPA, and DHA. Chronic inflammation can actually worsen insulin resistance and contribute to various diabetic complications, including things like heart disease and neuropathy. So by regularly consuming omega-3 rich fish like herring, people with diabetes can help lessen these inflammatory processes. This supports better overall health and can potentially reduce the risk of complications. These healthy fats are just integral to a heart-protective diet, and the benefits of omega-3s in herring extend beyond just inflammation. They're crucial for maintaining good cardiovascular health by helping to lower triglyceride levels, reduce blood pressure, and even prevent the formation of blood clots. Considering that diabetes significantly increases the risk of heart disease, adding herring to your diet provides a natural and effective way to support a healthy heart. Let's not forget the protein in herring too, which contributes to stable blood sugar levels and helps you feel satisfied. Herring is also quite versatile. You can enjoy it in various forms, including pickled, smoked, or fresh. Now, pickled herring can be a bit high in sodium, so if you opt for that, be mindful. Otherwise, choosing fresh or smoked versions and paying attention to portion sizes can make it a suitable and flavorful addition to a diabetic diet. You can grill it, bake it, or pan-fry it with minimal added fats. Its distinct flavor pairs really well with robust accompaniments like rye bread, in moderation of course, or roasted root vegetables, offering a satisfying and health-promoting meal. Number 5, cod. Next we have cod. Cod is a really popular choice for many people, and it's easy to see why. It's appreciated for its wonderfully mild flavor, it's widely available, and very importantly for diabetics, it has a low mercury status. This makes it a reliable and safe option to include in your regular meal rotation without having to worry too much about heavy metal accumulation. One of the main reasons cod appeals to those managing diabetes is its excellent nutritional profile. It's low in calories and fat, yet it's high in quality protein. This combination is just ideal for blood sugar management. The protein helps to stabilize glucose levels and promotes that feeling of fullness, which can prevent overeating and really aid in weight control. And as we know, a diet that supports a healthy weight is fundamental to managing diabetes effectively and reducing the risk of related complications. Another big advantage of cod is its versatility in the kitchen. Its mild taste makes it a perfect canvas for a whole range of flavors and cooking styles. This means it can appeal even to those who might not be fans of stronger tasting fish. You can bake it with herbs and lemon, steam it with vegetables, pan-sear it, or use it in soups and stews. This adaptability ensures that it can be easily worked into diverse diabetic meal plans, helping to keep your meals interesting and enjoyable. Fitting cod into your diabetic meal plan is pretty straightforward. The key is to focus on healthy preparation methods like baking, grilling, or poaching to keep it lean. Try pairing it with nutrient-dense side dishes like steamed green beans, a colorful salad, or a small serving of quinoa. Now, because cod is low in fat, especially when you compare its omega-3 content to oily fish, it's a good idea to make sure you're including other sources of healthy fats in your overall diet. But as a lean protein source, cod is truly an outstanding and safe choice for diabetes management. Number 6, trout. And rounding out our list is trout. Trout, especially freshwater rainbow trout, really stands out as a safe and nutritious low-mercury fish option. It's highly beneficial for individuals managing diabetes, and its appealing taste and favorable nutrient composition make it a very welcome addition to any health-conscious diet. Much like salmon, trout is a good source of those valuable omega-3 fatty acids, although the exact amount can vary. These essential fats are well known for their heart protective qualities. They help to reduce inflammation, lower triglycerides, and support overall cardiovascular health. For diabetics who unfortunately are at an increased risk for heart-related issues, incorporating fish like trout into their diet can be a really proactive strategy. And let's not forget, the protein content in trout also aids in blood sugar regulation and helps you feel full. One of the really great things about trout is how suitable it is for simple and healthy preparation. You don't need elaborate recipes to make it delicious. Grilling, baking, or pan-frying trout with just a little olive oil, some lemon, and herbs are all excellent ways to prepare it while preserving its health benefits. These methods help you avoid adding unnecessary unhealthy fats or carbohydrates, making it perfectly aligned with diabetic dietary goals for healthy, satisfying meals. Plus, its relatively quick cooking time makes it a convenient option for those busy weeknight dinners. Additional tips for eating fish safely. Now let's cover some additional tips for eating fish safely. To really maximize the benefits of fish while keeping any risk to a minimum, it's a wise idea to vary the types of low-mercury fish you eat. Doing this not only provides a broader range of nutrients, but also helps prevent overexposure to any potential contaminants from just one single source. When you're selecting fish, always look for fresh, high-quality options. And if you're buying frozen, just make sure it's well packaged and properly frozen. Remember, preparation is absolutely key. You'll want to opt for methods like baking, grilling, broiling, or steaming instead of frying. This will help keep your meals healthy and low in added fats. It's also important to pay attention to portion sizes, typically around 3 to 4 ounces per serving, as recommended by diabetes and heart health guidelines. Sourcing can be important too. If you can, look for sustainably sourced fish, as this often indicates better quality and more responsible environmental practices. Mercury and diabetes. What you need to know. Let's quickly touch on mercury and diabetes. What you need to know. Mercury is a naturally occurring heavy metal, and it can accumulate in fish, particularly in larger predatory fish that have lived longer. High levels of mercury can actually be toxic to the nervous system. So, for individuals with diabetes, who already face an increased risk of cardiovascular disease and nerve damage, which is known as neuropathy, minimizing mercury exposure is particularly prudent. However, it's really important to remember that the significant health benefits of eating fish, especially those rich in omega-3s, often outweigh the potential risks, as long as low-mercury options are chosen. The good news is that the fish we've recommended in this guide, salmon, sardines, tilapia, herring, cod, and trout, are all known for their low mercury content. This makes them safe and beneficial choices for a diabetic diet. So to wrap things up, we have our conclusion. Choosing low-mercury fish like salmon, sardines, tilapia, herring, cod, and trout can actively support your diabetes management and contribute positively to your overall health. By including a variety of these safe and nutritious options in your diet, you can truly enjoy the remarkable benefits of seafood without having to worry about the concerns associated with higher mercury fish. And finally, our call to action. If you found this guide helpful, please do share it with others who are managing diabetes or perhaps are concerned about mercury in seafood. We'd love for you to join our community by subscribing for more health-focused nutrition tips. Or feel free to leave your questions and your favorite fish recipes in the comments below.